Hello and welcome. Today we will be taking a deep dive into the Turtle Commodities trading program, and we are going to be showcasing one of our clients who has been trading this program over the last several years. First off, what we would like to show you before we get started is the risk disclosure. So please take a moment and read this. Okay, so everybody knows that trading is risky, so we do have to showcase the risk disclosure. Also, that we are in a highly regulated industry, so everything that we do show you has to be factual. Today, we're going to be going through a client overview of their brokerage statements. The client maintained an account trading the Turtle Commodities program through a licensed broker on an LOD basis. The client started January 2020, had a beginning balance of $38,447.23, and as of February 2024, has an ending balance of $190,760.89 account value at market. During that period of time, the client had requested several withdrawals from the profits of trading. December of 2022, withdrawal of $82,750. January of 2023, he withdrew $67,265. And May of 2023, he takes a withdrawal of $50,000. And then on August of 2023, they withdraw $60,000. And with a total withdrawal of $265,000, as of the total account value, including the withdrawal, would be $455,760.89, includes the withdrawals, account balance of market as of February 29th, 2024. Okay, so let's go into the statements and let's go through some details here so you can see their journey. If we look here at the top right-hand corner, we have January 31st, 2020. This is going to showcase all the trades. This is going to be through that entire month. This will be their monthly statement, and every account statement that we have, which is 378 total pages here, will showcase their monthly statements. This is traded at a brokerage house here within the United States in Chicago, Dorman Trading. You can see here we redacted their personal information. This is a joint account, Chet and Linda, and we'll be going through their statements. Now, in reading a commodity statement, the far left is going to be the entry date of the trade. You're going to see that there is going to be a buy long, sell short. This system does go long and short in the market. These will be the number of contracts that are traded. Here in the middle, it'll say description. These will be the markets that are traded. So here you can see we got sugar on the first page, 10-year note, lean hogs, euro dollars, corn. And then over here on the far right, you'll look at the debits. That'll be right here. And then you have your credits that are right here. Your debits are going to be your commissions that you pay the broker to execute the trades for you. Any withdrawals and as well losses within the account, because losses do happen. Your credits are going to be your profits, any adjustments that are needed to be made on the account, as well as any deposits. During this whole review of these statements, there were no deposits except for the initial balance that started at $38,000 the first month. This first statement is going to go through every single trade. You can see here they're also trading sugar, crude oil, the S&P 500, E-mini, also lumber. This particular program does trade various different commodity markets. You have metals, you also have softs, agriculturals, currencies, and index futures and treasury notes. As we go through, we're just going to highlight some of the months. We don't have, we're not going to be going through the whole entire statements of 378, but we will show you here. We'll scroll down to the end of January, which is going to be the end of the month. It's going to give you a summary of the account. You can see here the beginning balance is $38,447.23. There is a loss in the account of $9,489.65 the first month. But they do have some open trades here that are in the process of carrying over. This system does carry trades for about 2 to 4 weeks. You can see here they have an open account balance of open equity in the account that's moving over to, carried over to February of $23,372.64. The account value at market really is what you want to look at. This is going to be $52,330.22 the first month. In January of 2020, the account went from $38,000 to $52,000. If this client wanted to close the account, this would be their net take home, $52,330.22. Okay. Now we're going to scroll down to the first page, which is going to be 270, just so I can show you the withdrawal here and where the account's at as of December of 2022. We can see here that they did take out and request a debit out of the account of withdrawal of $82,750 back into their personal account. This would be basically made up. This would be their profit in the account that they withdrew. If we scroll down to the end of December, you can see their December ending statement. The account is up, account value at market is up close to about $305,000 here. They did have their $87,000 withdrawal. They did have some open trade equity as well. Okay, that's at in 2022, December of 2022. If we scroll down, if we go down to page 275, they have another withdrawal here. Here's that second withdrawal, $67,250 of profit. We'll also go to page 308. This is going to be their next withdrawal. Here, you can see it's $50,000 here withdrew from the account of profit. And then their last withdrawal was on page 327. That's going to be right here of $60,000. If we scroll all the way down to the end, you'll see here as of February 29th, 2024, just last month, the account value at market, if they were to close their account, is at $190,760.89. We do also have a daily statement, which brings us pretty much up to date here as of March 19th, 2024. Chet and Linda traded over here. You can see this showcases a daily statement. This is going to go through and show what markets currently right now are being traded. You got the cotton, you got the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, the US index fund here, up here at the top. You do have some open positions here, the cotton US index fund. They have lumber, which is open. Over here on the right, you can see if there's a debit or a credit. We do have a really nice trade here on cocoa that showcases a $30,000 trade based on one contract. We are going long here. You can see here, if we go down the line, you got open equity on wheat. We're shorting wheat right now, one contract. We're up $1,000 there. Lumber futures, we're up 1,700. And if we scroll down, we got copper. We're long on copper. We got $3,800 there. Gold trade, 7,500. Crude oil, dollar, S&P 500. We got a small loss here on the Canadian dollar of a debit. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, we're up small wins there. If you come down here, their total account value at market is $217,271.39 as of March 19th, 2024. Okay. That is a quick look at their account statement. We do appreciate you joining us today. If you have any questions, please give us a call. This is FFR Trading. Our number here is 800-883-0524. You can reach us direct at 737-292-4425, or you can email us at support@ffrtrading.com and visit our website at ffrtrading.com. Once again, thank you very much for joining us. Happy trading out there, and be safe.